Hello friends, welcome to Text Coder. In this video tutorial we discuss how can we run MariaDB on our Windows operating system and how can we create databases, create tables in our databases and use some of the important operations like insert, deletion, updation, selection with the help of SQL queries. So this video tutorials helps you for learning MariaDB. And to run MariaDB, first of all, we go to our local server and we start Apache and MySQL. After that, we go to our Windows and we search for command prompt. So in this video tutorial, we discuss MariaDB, using of MariaDB with command line interface. So friends, this is our terminal. You can say that this is our command prompt in our Windows operating system. To log in MariaDB, first of all, you go to path of XAMPP and after that when you write XAMPP there, again / MySQL folder is there, and in MySQL you have bin folder. For this now you are here for MariaDB directory. This is our C drive. We have already uploaded the video of installation XAMPP server. In XAMPP server we have MySQL directory and now we are currently in bin folder. So after this, now we log into our MariaDB database. We write MySQL -u. Root is our default user. When we run root, this command enters in MariaDB terminal. Now we are in MariaDB. We can see how many databases are there, how to create a database. To see the list of databases in MariaDB, in MySQL you write there show databases and semicolon. This command shows you how many databases are there. Now friends, this is the list of databases: employee information schema, and our last database is test. Now we create our new database from the command using create database, and now we write name of our database. Just I write text coder _1. So friends, when I write text coder _1, so please see here in the database section we have list of databases, but there is not any text coder _1 database. Now I again fire the same query show databases, and now this database is created. In the above side there is not a database. Now for using the database and how can we create a table in database, we write simple use text coder _1. Now what you see, the changes reflects here where you see none now, and when I press enter it show me database changed. Now my none database is changed to text coder _1. So now our task is to create a table. This is the simple tutorial in which we can use MariaDB. How can we see the database? Now we are using SQL statements for creating tables and inserting data into the tables. I write a create table. This is our common DML statements we discuss here. Create table, and now I write name of the table. I write name of table is employee _detail. So this is table of employees detail. Now how many fields we describe here? I open bracket here. Now I write ID int name varchar age is again int, and last is we make id as a primary key. So in primary key I create here three fields. One is id, which holds only integer value, so I write integer there. Varchar data type holds both the integer as well as the string values. So now I write primary key, primary key, and I want to make primary key of my id. Primary key is a key in which you can write only unique value and you cannot enter again a same value. And the second thing, you cannot fire the query without using this field. Mean to say you cannot pass null value here. You need to write something. You should write some value for this field, then your data is inserted. And now I pass enter, and what is there? My query is okay and it affects the sum of rows. And now we describe the table. Describe. Now what is my table name? Employee underscore details. You can easily see employee underscore detail. It's not details, it's detail. And you can easily see this is the structure of your created table where fields are three. These are the types of fields: integer, varchar, integer respectively. And you cannot pass null value in id because this is our primary key. Default values are null always. So friends, this is the table which is created, and now we use the same table for inserting the data. And to insert the data, there is insert into. Now we write table name employee underscore detail and values. How many values you want to enter here? One thing, you can only pass integer values for id, so I write id is 101 and split by comma. When you want to enter again next value, I split it by comma and I pass the name. And always write name in a single quote. Suppose I write group of characters, like I want to add ABC here. So I want to write age of ABC and I press enter. It affects my one row, and again I pass the same query, insert into employees details values, and I pass here 102 comma, its name is XYZ comma, its age is 20, and what's this? Again my second row is affected. Now I again write the same query, values. Now I pass here some of the values. I write again 102. It generates an error because we cannot pass again the same value because our id is a primary. See, it generates the error because duplicate entry is there. So if you want to fire this query, you need to write 103 there. This is the working of your primary key. Now for show the data, I write here select star from table, which is our table employee underscore details, semicolon. This data is entered by us. This is our data. Now our next task is, friends, we can also see individual fields by write this. I not want to see ages of my employees, so that's why I write select star, not star, I write here select id name from employee underscore details. So it only shows me, by using this command, it only shows me ID and names of my employees. Now friends, our next query is, how can we update our data in our database tables? How can we update our data? To update, there is an update command, update. Now for after update, update employee underscore detail. I want to update my table, update employee underscore details, sct set name equals to mno, where id is equals to. Now friends, this query fires when I write here id 103. Now the id 103 name is jkl and it automatically changes to mno. This is new name and this is old name. So I write here 103 and semicolon, enter. One row is changed. Now I again write select star from employees. See friends, our 103 has now MNO name, not JKL name. These are the basic queries. Now we also discuss in this tutorial delete key, delete field query. How can we delete our data, the code in the MariaDB? You can write just delete from table where id equals to 102. Happens, not a table, it's just name here employee underscore detail. When I fire this query, it deletes my data which has 102 id. This row is permanently deleted and I want to see this data. You see there is 101, there is not 102 now. So friend, this is the basic tutorial of MariaDB. How can we run MariaDB on Windows machine? How can we create database? How can we use the database? How can we create table in the database? In our next tutorial, we discuss how can we use some of the other operations of DML statements, like how can we using different queries, different clauses on these tables. So thank you friends, thank you for watching, and please see this video till end, then you can see all the things, not miss here. And if anybody not subscribes my channel, if you are see this channel, you see this video, then please subscribe, click on subscribe button. Thank you friends, thank you for watching.